A project engineer bridges the gap between the plans and the work accomplished. They make sure projects, building, making products, or installing technology, are done on schedule, on budget, and right. They help different teams communicate with each other so that the goals of the project are met. Project engineers apply their technical ability of knowing how things work and how to do things in a step-by-step approach to finish projects in a wide variety of industries. Types of project engineers. Some of the categories of project engineers who work in different fields include: 1. Civil project engineer. Civil project engineers design, plan, and manage construction projects like bridges, roads, dams, and buildings. 2. Manufacturing project engineer. Factory project engineers make factories work better. They improve the production of products to save time, guarantee quality, and reduce costs. 3. Scientific project engineer. Scientific project engineers carry out research and experiments. They apply engineering principles to assist in areas such as medicine, biology, and environment. 4. Architectural project engineer. Architectural project engineers are tasked with the technical design and construction of buildings. Their job is to ensure that building designs are practicable, safe, and in line with engineering standards. 5. Electrical project engineer. Electrical project engineers oversee projects in the field of electrical systems. They are employed in the fields of building, factory, and energy. 6. Mechanical project engineer. Mechanical project engineers design and coordinate machines and mechanical systems. They are employed in the production of automobiles, aircraft, and in factories. Below are some key activities a project engineer performs. 1. Create schedules and monitor tasks to complete work on time. 2. Manage project funds, draft a budget plan, and track expenses. 3. Delegate tasks to group members, assist them in working efficiently, problem solving, and working together. 4. Prepare reports and conduct meetings to inform everyone of project progress. Best skills for a project engineer. To be a successful project engineer, you must possess technology, project management, and people skills. The most critical skills are as follows. 1. Technical skills. Comprehend engineering principles and how things work in your field. Take the ability to review data and designs to spot and fix issues. 2. Project management skills. Prioritize projects, streamline tasks, and manage resources effectively to complete within time. Manage finances and keep the project within budget. 3. Communication skills. Communicate project details clearly through speech to your team and others. Make reports and emails readable by everyone. Conclusion. Project engineers are key to the success of projects from conception to delivery. Through their technical skills and management skills, they coordinate efforts of the team, solve problems, and deliver quality work on schedule and on budget. Because project engineers are needed in all sectors of industry, this is a career that has great potential for advancement and success.